Hi friends, I have started this channel to provide you with valuable insights and information related to the stock markets and financial management. If you like our content, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for similar content. Also, please provide your valuable feedback. Today we will be discussing GTT orders. GTT is a good till trigger order. In most of the stockbroker platforms, this option is available. So today we will be discussing what are the better ways of using this GTT future while creating order, taking the position. And friends, it is very useful for managing the emotional stability. Generally, we'll get more emotional when we are directly dealing with the stock market. If you think that I don't want to get into that emotional mind and everything will be predetermined, preset, you can use this GTT future very well for your stock market related things. So to explain that, there are three types of GTT orders are available. One is a buy GTT, another one is sell GTT, another one is sell OCBO. OCBO is one cancel other order. All the three orders we will be discussing now. For this, I am taking Tata Steel as an example. Suppose right now, currently Tata Steel is trading at 108.20, and you think that Tata Steel has a good support at 120, so you want to take a position once Tata Steel reaches 120. For that, and you want to buy the Tata Steel stock, you can create a trigger price. You think 120 is a good support, and you can keep trigger price as 120. The executed limit price will be near to that trigger price. So I'm keeping it as a 120.5. Try to keep this executed price near to the trigger price, so there are more chance of getting this order to be executed. And you can also see the bottom, the percentage option is available. Instead of changing the number, you can also change the percentage. Let's say if you click the 9%, it is around 117.9. If you keep 8%, it will automatically change based on the percentage you will provide. So let's stick to your 120 as a support price, and the executed price will be 120.5, and you are placing the order. So you can see here our GTT order got executed. So it has a trigger price at 120. If you want to edit the option, and if you want to modify, if you want to delete, all the options are available here. If you want to edit, you can click the edit option. So here our executed price will be 0.5. You can change it to 0.6, 0.8, like whatever you feel comfortable, you can change. And click modify, and it will get automatically modified in the GTT order section. So now we will take one more example. Let's say you have a bearish view on Tata Steel, and you think that 100 is a good support price for Tata Steel. So you want to take a position once this Tata Steel reaches to near to that 100 range. So here also you can create one more buy order, and you can keep it near to the 100 trigger price, and executed price will keep it as near as possible. So I'm keeping it as 100.5. And the percentage you can see it is 6 or around 6.5% away from the current market price. And if you click the place, so there are this GTT order got created. You can see the both order are alive in the GTT section. One is your bullish view on the Tata Steel, another one is your bearish view on Tata Steel. Whichever you feel it better, and you can keep that one. So this is all about buy GTT, and now we will discuss about sell GTT. Suppose you have a Tata Steel stocks in your demat account, and you wanted to sell that Tata Steel stocks once it reaches 5% of your current purchase price. Let's say you purchased Tata Steel stock at 108.2, which is our current market price, and you want you have to click the sell option, and you can let's say you want, once Tata Steel reaches 5% of that current price, you wanted to sell whatever is the current market situation. You want to sell all the holdings. So you can create a trigger price of 5% of that current market price, and the executed price will keep it near to that trigger price. So once you place the order, the sell order got placed. So you can see the price is 5% away from the current market price. So whenever the Tata Steel price reaches to that trigger price, the order will get executed. And one important thing to note is, friends, when you have these stock, you need to have these stocks in your demat account, or if you have purchased it, you have to provide the authorization. That is very important thing. Right now, this option is mandatory for selling the stocks. Right? Even for the GTT, every day you have to provide that CDSL authorization. Like morning, whenever you woke up, if you think this order can be executed, you can create that CDSL authorization, and for throughout the day that authorization will get valid. and it will get executed once you provided that authorization. So that is the one difference compared to the buy GTT. So now we discussed about buy GTT and we discussed about sell GTT. So we'll be discussing the interesting future that is a OCBO. So currently OCBO is available with sell GTT only. Let's say you purchased the stock around 108.2 at current market price, and you wanted to keep the Tata Steel stock till you want to exit Tata Steel stock of 10% of current market price. So that is your target price, and you can adjust it, adjust the executed price similar to that trigger price. So trigger price I kept it as 119, and the executed price I keep it as 119.2. The interesting feature of OCBO, you can also keep the stop loss. Stop loss, the maximum stop loss I can bear is minus, let's say 3% for me. So I can keep 3% as my stop loss price. So the trigger price will be 104.95. So the executed price will be 10. You have to keep it near to that trigger price. So I'm keeping it as 104.8. So it means, friends, so there are two orders created for the same GTT. The interesting feature is that here, let's say your target got reached and the trigger 119 got executed. So like once your target got executed, automatically the stop loss order will get cancelled. Oppositely, let's say your stop loss order got hit and your order got executed at triggered at 104.95. Automatically the target order for this stock will get automatically cancelled out. So if you place this OCBO order, you can see there are two. One is the target price is also set. Another one is this stop loss price is also as set for this same stock. So friends, I think you understood how we can better place these orders. And some of the interesting things is that if you want to place a limit order in a day, you need whenever you place a limit order, your margin money will get blocked because of that limit order. But if you place a GTT order, the advantage is that you no need to the market platform will not upfrontly block your margin money. It'll only when your when your price got triggered, then only it will see whether you have that margin money or not. Friends, here you have to take you have to note down two important things. Once your trigger price got executed, if you want to buy the stock, I'll rather try to maintain the margin money. So if you don't have the margin money, it won't the order will get cancelled because of insufficient funds in your account. So these are the important points. Apart from that, there are important features of this GTT order. So one of the important feature is so we place the GTT orders, right? So the maximum validity of those GTT order is 1 year. So if your stock price is not get triggered, it can stay in the platform up to 1 year. I already told that margin money is not required at the time of placing on. This is a very useful feature compared to the normal limit order where the broker will block your margin money. So with since here they're not blocking, you can create multiple orders for the same stock or for different stocks. So here, whenever the GTT the trigger price got triggered, so the executed price will be executed as a limit order, like a normal limit order only. So these GTT orders, it can be placed at any time, but they only get executed during market hours. Another cool feature is that maximum of 100 active GTT orders can be placed with one account. So you have a lot of GTT order, friends. So you can use it to maximum extent possible. And whenever you don't want the GTT order, you can delete, and in place of that, you can place new GTT orders. So the another cool feature is that you will get push notifications if you have Android or Apple iPhone. And along with that, you will get email notification to your registered email ID. So regarding this GTT, whenever the GTT got triggered, all this notification will be sent immediately. So you will be proactive. Whatever the work you are doing, you will get proper notifications to you. One thing to note here is during corporate actions like bonuses, dividends, stock splits, the GTT order will get cancelled before this corporate action exit date. So these are the important features, friends. If you like our content provided in this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching.